Don't tell me! I'm scared.
You guys want a countdown or a surprise?
Countdown.
All right. I'm gonna go after 1.
Okay.
All right, guys. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Ah! This is awesome! I'm so nervous! Yeah, I feel like I'm coming. Oh,
my heavens!
Oh, that hurt.
We're going face down now. Oh, we didn't catch any fish today, but we just got shot 300 feet in the air.
Oh, that was fun. Oh, I'm so glad we did this. Oh my goodness.
Okay, me too.
That was fun. That's something like you've ever done before.
Oh my heavens.
That was fun. Smile for the camera.
That might be the wildest one we've ever done.
It was most like anticipating. But it was fun. I'm glad we did it. I feel so accomplished.
I'm so glad we did that.
I feel like if we didn't do it, then we would have really regretted it.
Yep.